Hey guys, welcome to the ServiceNow world, and today we'll discuss how to configure list UI action in ServiceNow. Sometimes like in our day-to-day development work, we are getting a requirement like when a user is selecting some set of records and post the selection, they want to perform some action on those selected records like bulk deletion or bulk updation. So in that case, we have to configure the list UI action. So how to configure list UI action? We'll see one use case. So use case is that like as an incident manager, I want to assign selected incident to service desk group using list view. So basically, what happened like in incident list, they need a UI action kind of button. On click of that button, they want to assign those selected incident to service desk group. So let's go to the instance and try to implement. So now we are in our instance. Firstly, what we'll do, we'll open an incident list. So if you see incident list got opened, now what we need to do, we have to check whether service desk group itself existed or not. If it's not existed, we have to create it. So I'll open one duplicate tab here. And there, just click on all and go to the group table. So group table backend name is sys user underscore group dot list. And here you see that like group list got opened, right? So what needs to be done here? We have to search the group name that is service desk. Okay, so I'll put the name service. Let's see. Yes, if you see the service desk group is already there. Okay, now what needs to be done? We have to come to like this first tab, and there we just click on column context menu, and then you click on configure, then go to the UI action. Okay, and then click on new. Okay, so if you see like a new UI action form got opened, so we have to fill the details. Like firstly, we'll put the name. So name will be like you can say like assign to service desk. Okay, so I'll put the name assign to service desk. Okay, and I'll put the action name like assign underscore service desk underscore group. Okay, and after that, what needs to be done here, we just uncheck this insert one, and here we'll just check the list banner button and list choice, because I want to show in a like list choice, I just want to show in a banner as well, this button. Okay, and after that, now we have to come into the scripting part, and here what need to be done. Firstly, we have to create one variable that is group sys id, and there we'll store the this service desk group sys id. Okay, I'll just copy it here, I'll paste it, and I'll just put the semicolon and write like service desk, put the comment service desk group sys id. Okay, after that, what needs to be done? We have to do like let me open a duplicate tab. So we'll open the this incident list. Okay, so just step by step I'll show you like what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I'm just quickly open here incident list. So you see incident list got open. So firstly, first action is that we need a selected records, like whatever the selected records are there, we need their selected records sys id. So for that, what needs to write, we'll create one more variable that is var at selected incs equal to, so selected inc is a variable. Inside that I'll write gs dot action dot get glide URI, this is the method, and dot get sysperm underscore checked underscore items. So by writing this, we'll get the all the selected incident sys IDs. Okay, and after that, what needs to be done? We have to just query the incident table. So that is where gr equal to new glide record, query the incident table, and then put the filter gr.add query, put the sys underscore id, because here if you see, like, maybe the user might be possibility they will select multiple sys IDs. So in that case we'll use in means contains any one of them, is one of, like, okay, contains is one of, okay, and selected INCs there will comprise that will store maybe like multiple sys IDs, multiple incident sys IDs, okay. After that, what needs to be done? You just simply execute the query, and we'll use the while loop here, while gr.next, and here write gr.assignment group equal to group sys ID, and then gr.update will update the record, okay, and let me save it. So now we have saved the that UI action logic, okay. Now we have to refresh this incident list, okay, and currently if you see for all of these records the assignment group is empty. So let me select these two incidents, and you see that like assign to service desk button also get visible here, okay, and even in list choice also it will get visible assigned to service desk, because we have selected list banner button and list choice. That's why it's coming in these two places, okay, and you just click on assign to service desk after selecting, and you see that like 9009 9005 that has been assigned to service desk group. Even if you select like more than 2 3 whatever number you want, okay, let's say like I'm selecting 4 9004 9003 9002 9001, 4 doesn't have the doesn't have any assignment group, okay. So I'm just clicking on assign to service desk, and you see that like for all the F4 selected 4 incident, the service desk group got populated in the assignment group, okay. So now if we go to the UI action, what exactly we have done, we'll understand it here. Firstly, we'll put the name, table we already selected, if not selected we have to just put the table name, okay. After that we need this button in a banner means here, okay, and after that we need this button on list choice means in this place. You see that, right? Currently I haven't selected. If I select any one of the record, you see that like this button get highlighted, this list choice, okay. So there I want that my UI action visible in these two locations, so that's why I've selected list banner and list choice, okay. After that, if you see here first line, there we have stored the service desk group sys ID, okay. Our second line is that there we have created a variable, and there we use the gs.action. What gs.action store? gs.action store the whatever the like button we have currently clicked, their context, you can say UI action context got stored here. Then dot glide URI, what glide URI stored? Glide get glide URI returns the request object URL, okay, kind of this URL like incident.list, and whatever the selected records is IDs that also available in the URL, okay. That details will get using the get glide URL, and inside that what will use the get. So get method is used to get the specific parameter value. So in that case here I want sysperm checked items parameter value, because sysperm checked items having those selected sys IDs. So that's why I've written gs.action.glide URI.get sysperm checked items, okay. After that, what we have done, we have simply query the incident table, and then we have used the sys ID. In sys ID means sys ID is one of, because maybe like user will select a multiple sys IDs. So that's why we have selected sys ID in selected INCs, and then we execute the query, and after the whatever the incident sys ID are there in the incident record, we are updating the assignment group one by one, and then after that we call the update method. Okay, so I think you got it, and if you still have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Till that time, thank you. God bless you all.